Luxury is no longer defined by size alone. Today, true sophistication is created through atmosphere, emotion, and the ability to transform ordinary spaces into unforgettable experiences. The modern world of architecture is evolving into something far more artistic, where design is not simply seen, but deeply felt. Every pathway, every texture, every beam of light becomes part of a larger story that welcomes people into a world of elegance and refinement. The beauty of high-end design lies in the details. Soft lighting creates warmth and depth, while carefully balanced symmetry brings a sense of calm and perfection. Natural elements blend effortlessly with architectural precision, proving that luxury is at its best when nature and structure exist together in harmony. Grand entrances, sculptural forms, and layered materials all work together to create spaces that feel timeless and emotionally powerful. Modern luxury landscapes are designed to leave a lasting impression from the very first moment. A simple entryway can become a dramatic visual statement through scale, texture, and thoughtful composition. Rich materials, curated greenery, and immersive lighting elevate outdoor environments into experiences that feel cinematic and dreamlike. Every angle is intentionally crafted to feel polished, inviting, and unforgettable. What makes these environments truly extraordinary is their ability to create emotion without saying a word. There is a quiet confidence in spaces that feel balanced and intentional. The flow between architecture and nature creates a sense of escape, offering peace, beauty, and inspiration all at once. These designs are not built around trends alone. They are created to feel timeless, luxurious, and deeply personal. Across the world, designers are pushing creative boundaries to redefine modern elegance. Traditional concepts are being reimagined with contemporary materials, hidden engineering, and artistic landscaping techniques that feel both futuristic and natural. The result is a new generation of luxury spaces that feel immersive, refined, and visually unforgettable. Lighting also plays a major role in shaping the mood of a luxury environment. Warm ambient tones add softness and sophistication, while subtle shadows create depth and dimension. During the evening hours, these spaces transform completely, glowing with a calm and inviting atmosphere that feels almost surreal. Every detail is carefully orchestrated to create visual harmony and elevate the overall experience. The most luxurious spaces are not necessarily the loudest or most extravagant. Often, they are the ones that feel effortless. The perfect balance of architecture, nature, texture, and light create environments that feel welcoming yet exclusive. This understated elegance is what defines modern high-end living and continues to inspire designers around the world. As luxury architecture continues to evolve, creativity remains at the center of every design. Visionary concepts are transforming landscapes into living works of art, where beauty and engineering coexist seamlessly. These environments are more than just beautiful places. They are experiences designed to inspire emotion, create memories, and redefine what modern luxury truly means. Thank you for joining Modern Homes and Gardens, where architecture, landscape, and imagination come together to create extraordinary living experiences designed to inspire the future of luxury living.